Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So first of all, let me set up my project and XAMPP software. So in last video, I was developing a setting arrangement of our project using a database communication, but that was left incomplete in last video. So in this video, we will try to complete that. So dashboard bus book tutorial main.php. Yes, here we go to our website. Now on bus ticket page, where we will search for the bus using destination and boarding station and a specific date of journey. On clicking on search bus page, we will move to the search bus.php page, where all the list of buses are available for us for booking. And in order to view the details of specific bus, we need to click on view details, and we need to log in first. So again we need to perform search operation. So after clicking on view details, so here we go. Now here I need to first create a table for bus seat information, and thereafter we can only link our GUI with the database to fetch the data, to fetch the bus according to our bus. Okay, so for this, come to MySQL admin part. Inside online bus reservation database, and here okay, so I need to create a separate table for bus seat information. Okay, sorry, I have already created one table for bus seat, where column containing status, seat number, bus name and ticket number. So we will add some data first for different bus. So here we go, we have added the bus seat information of permit travels along with the seat number and ticket number. Your ticket number contains null value for right now. So now we will move to our GUI so that we can link that GUI with our database to fetch the seat information of a specific bus. As user click on the bus detail. So here we go, we are inside seat available.php file inside a Sublime text editor. Now we are going to link our PHP script for the GUI. And define index seat status on line number 190. Okay, let me check seat status. Okay, then what is the name of column? Only status. So here we go. As you can see, our 7 seats are showing, but alignment is not correct because L1 and L2 should come in a single row, aligned left and right to each other. Similarly for L3 and L4 and L5 and L6, but according to it is not visible according to our requirement. So for this, let me go to Sublime text editor and make some changes in the codes. Now refresh the page. So as you can see, our alignment is now better than before. So now, and as you can see on the screen, the background of this L1 and L2 is blue because they are available for booking, and when it will be red, then it means that it is booked and you cannot again perform booking on that seat. Now I need to add some more seats for this. Okay, 6 and 7. L8 and L8. Copy this line of code and paste just below it 6 and 7. Okay, and now close this div tag, Control C, and after here 6 and 7, closing of PHP tag, div tag, and opening of PHP tag. Opening of div tag will be also available here. With the class having the value div flex justify content center. So copy this line of code and paste it here, and remove this div and paste it. Okay, no need to paste it. Another div with the closing tag is already available on line number 320 that support the opening of div tag, present on line number 307. So this is it. Now change the content of index 6 7. Here the index will be 8 and the content will be 9, L9, L9. Okay, copy this line of code, paste it here, and index will be 9, content will be 10. That's it for this setting arrangement div tag. Save it and see the changes after refreshing the page. So as you can see, now our sheet is properly visible with the linking of database. So this is it for this database connection of sheet. So moving to the next part. I think this is enough for this video. We will continue the same setting arrangement in the next video. So stay tuned with us and thank you. See you in next video.